Ants nesting inside furniture cushions is more common than you think, and getting rid of them without wrecking your stuff can be a total headache. So, first off, yank those cushions right off and take them outside if you can. Give the cushions a good shake to knock out any ants chilling in there, then vacuum the cushions and the surrounding furniture to suck up any stray ants or eggs. Next, mix up a solution of water and mild dish soap and gently wipe down the cushions and the furniture frame with a soft cloth. Ants hate that stuff. If you spot any tiny holes or tears in your cushions, patch them up or cover them with a waterproof spray to stop ants from sneaking back in. You can also sprinkle some natural deterrents like cinnamon, coffee grounds, or even diatomaceous earth around your furniture base. Ants find these super annoying. Keep your home super clean, especially around where you eat or chill, because crumbs are like an open invite for ants. Lastly, check your windows and doors for cracks or gaps, and seal them up to block ants from marching in again. If things get really bad, don't hesitate to call in a pest control pro who knows how to handle ants without ruining your furniture. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ants nesting inside furniture cushions is ignoring the problem until it gets out of hand. This just lets the colony grow and spread. Fix this by tackling the issue as soon as you see ants, so you don't end up with a full-blown infestation. Another common slip-up is using harsh chemical sprays directly on cushions, which can ruin the fabric or leave nasty odors. Stick with gentle cleaning solutions and natural deterrents instead. Lastly, forgetting to seal entry points like gaps around windows or doors means ants keep coming back no matter how often you clean. Get some weather stripping or caulk to block their path for good. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid go-to for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find steady work by getting matched with people who need their skills right when they need them.